Hello YouTube, and welcome to my channel today. In today's training, we'll be looking at how to move or copy a worksheet in your workbook. So you can actually move or copy a worksheet in the same workbook to organize your workbook exactly how you want. So to move a worksheet within a workbook, what to do is click on the worksheet tab and drag it to the position where you want. Let's say you want it here. So the source data is now in this position. So that has to move a worksheet. You can move this one too. So the next thing we'll be looking at is how to copy a worksheet in the same workbook. To copy a worksheet in the same workbook, what we will do is, first you can either press Ctrl and drag the worksheet tab to the location we want. Let's say I want to copy this tab, this worksheet. Press Ctrl and drag it. So now I have two product customer worksheets. So this is one way to copy a worksheet. The next way to copy a worksheet is, say, this worksheet, right click on it, move or copy. Select create a copy. Then under before sheet, select where you want to place it. Is it before by product or before source data, or so anywhere you can move it to the end. So let's say this source data, I want to move it to the end. I click move to the end and click OK. So my source data has been copied to the end. So that's how to move and copy a worksheet.